Just knock these motherfuckers out. Move to the next one. JRs. Hold on. I can't talk right now. I'm doing something. Look, you gonna have to meet later. No, I'm not ducking you. I just got a whole lot of shit going on, man. I don't got time to be trying to worry about chasing these bags. You don't understand? All that other bullshit. It's whatever. I don't care.
30 hertz straight up.
Sleepless nights, been grinding right, ain't got time for you. Tryna get everything lined up how it's supposed to. Asking where I'm at, why you ain't text back all day. My fault, I've been working, can't let nothing my way. Ain't earned no breaks yet, so I gotta keep on moving strong. Yeah, I know I moved a little, but the roads are long. Niggas gon' be mad when I start slanging that word hater. Can't get my attention, things is really complicated. She said her name was Candy, I'll be busy now and later. I'm moving on my own, man, I'm just tryna get my weight up. I just need some space to make these millions, then multiply them and turn them into billions. By the time I'm finished, I'm gonna have your mind blown. But for now, I'm sorry, I just can't come to my cell phone. As a youngin', I used to think that things came so easy. Years went past, reality hit me, believe me. So that's the reason I can't come to the phone. Just leave me a message after you hit a dial tone. I can't have y'all stressing me. Can't text back when I'm running around doing responsibilities. So many obstacles, jump high enough, I'm over it. If you gon' be mad, then I suggest you just get over it. Cause ain't nobody gonna get me there but me. So I gotta make my outcome. Please believe me. Y'all don't understand, I'm doing backflips trying to make it. I ain't gon' give out, give me my task and I'm gon' take it. Tally up my stats and check the records that I break it. Move around so much, can't lie, my back is low-key aching. Wait, I just need some space to make these millions, then multiply them and turn them into billions. By the time I'm finished, I'm gon' have your mind blown. But for now, I'm sorry, I just can't come to my cell phone. As a youngin', I used to think that things came so easy. Years went past, reality hit me, believe me. So that's the reason I can't come to the phone. Just leave me a message after you hit a dial tone.